Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. I'm so excited to be back here with you today, and I want to thank you for joining in with me. First, I would like to say that my family is home, we're safe, and we very much appreciate the Currys for letting us come stay over there for a few days so that we could get in and out and did not get trapped into our home. Just one second, Phoebe's got a piece of paper she's shredding. And so we just appreciate the Currys so much for that. It was nice having somewhere to go so we didn't get trapped at home and we were able to get in and out. And I would also like to say thank you so much to the ones in the Yarn Bingo group who helped put together the February Yarn Bingo card. That was such a relief for me. I was dealing with my loss of my sister and just had a lot going on and just could not get it together to get a card created and out. So I appreciate y'all stepping up and doing that and taking the pressure off me. Y'all created a great card and I very much appreciated it. So thank you for that. Okay, so today's video is about the March bingo card. So we're going to go over the squares. And I do want to say anyone is welcome to join in and play bingo, whether you crochet, knit, or loom knit. If you play with yarn, join us and join the group for the yarn bingo and post your pictures and cards and stuff over there. Everyone over there is so helpful and so friendly and nice, and so it's a great group. And so anyway, we're going to go over the March bingo card. Okay, for the first row, and keep in mind that bingos they can go across, down, diagonal, anywhere normal bingo goes. And I do want to say that this bingo is not to dictate, excuse me, this bingo card is not to dictate your yarn projects. It is more of a fun thing where if your projects coincide with the bingo card, great. If you don't have projects lined up that you're working on and you want to just do what's on the bingo card, that's great also. So it's just for fun to play along and share our creations with each other on the Facebook group. So starting with row 1, we have create a rabbit. Any size rabbit, any type of rabbit, just create a rabbit. Square number 2 is create a 4-leaf clover pin. I have seen some crochet 4-leaf clover pins, and also for loom knitters, you can do an I-cord and then shape it into a 4-leaf clover and tie it with yarn and then glue a pin on the back. So I thought that would be cool for a 4-leaf clover pin. All right, and then we have finish a whelp. Now that includes any project you're working on that you finished this month that is not included in one of the other squares. So if you're creating a shawl and a shawl's not on here, then when you finish your shawl or whatever, you can put it as finish a whelp. So any project that doesn't fit another square will fit a finish the whelp. And I do have 5 excuse me, I do have 5 finish the whelps on here. So any project should fit on here somewhere. Okay, and then I have create a bathroom hand towel. It just clicked to me. I had bathroom hand towels on a list that I needed to start picking up at Walmart because I don't know what's happened to all my bathroom hand towels. And then it clicked to me like I could make bathroom hand towels. So that's what I'm doing, making me some yellow and gray ones to go with my bathroom. And then work on a blanket project. We all have blankets going at all times, just about everybody does. So work on a blanket project. Next row, finish a whelp. And then the next one is create a pattern you have had downloaded for a while. So I know lots of times we download patterns or bookmark patterns, and then we don't ever get back to making those patterns. So go through your downloads or your bookmarks or whatever have you, or even books or patterns you've printed out, and find a pattern that you really did want to make but you never made it and get going on it. Okay, and then we have create a spring baby hat, and you can give it as a gift or something like that, just whatever. And then we have create 3 spring washcloths or dishcloths. Okay, then I have create an Easter decoration. So it is March, but I believe Easter falls late April. So we're kind of gearing up to make some Easter decorations and things for spring. So Easter decoration, it can be anything. Create an item to enter in the fair. Now, I know some people may not have a fair, a county fair or a parish fair or whatever near you, or you may not be able to go and enter into the fair. That's quite fine. Just create something that could be entered into a fair. But I would like to encourage people to start working on projects now that you could enter into the fair. I have my list going, and I am working on my projects for the fair, and kind of I'm going down my list seeing what I need to make for the fair, and that's what I'm working on. And I'll have a video coming out about that. I know I've mentioned it in lots of videos, so okay, so the next square is create an Easter treat bag. It can be a little small bag that you'd put some Easter treats in and give to like a neighbor child or grandchild or someone you come in contact with. You could leave it in the mailbox for your mail person or just whoever. The next square is free space, so we all get that one. And then the next square is finish a whip. And then we have create a March cup cozy. So it can be anything. A cup cozy, it could be green. You can put something on it. Shamrock, leprechaun face or shamrock or anything. Just something that represents March to you. It could be rainbow. All right, the next row we have create a spring decor pillow. It can be any size. Just a pillow that you would put on your couch or something or in a chair for spring. Then we have finish a whip, and then we have create a basket of Easter eggs. I've seen some of the cutest knitted, loom knitted, and crocheted eggs, and so my goal is to create a little basket of eggs. And I've even seen where some people, you know, you can make them in any colors, or you can change colors and make stripes and different, you know, some people make the zigzags. I've also seen where people have made like eggs and then embroidered on them, and they are gorgeous. I would love to be able to do that, but I don't know if that I can handle a needle with, you know, that gets kind of hurt. It hurts to hold something that small and try to grip it. So I would love to be able to do that though, because there are some gorgeous eggs out there. And then there is create something in memory of a loved one. Someone did recommend this square because they did like the blanket that I made in memory of my sister, and so they suggested that for a square. So I'm sure we've all lost someone that, you know, is very meaningful to us, and just making a project that you're going to have in your home and keep that reminds you of that person, I think is a great idea. So thanks for that suggestion, and I put it on the board. And here we have create a spring table runner. Now I will be working on a spring table runner that I want to put in the fair. So anything, any colors, you know, just whatever you want to do. And then we have create a spring wreath. I personally don't have any place to hang wreaths on my front door or anything like that, but I do make wreaths to enter into the fair. So the next square is create a chick or chicken for Easter. You know, it can be any size, a little chick, big chick, whatever. A basket of chicks. Create a project by putting squares together. Now, I know that a lot of people are working on granny square projects, and for loom knitters, granny squares really don't turn out that right on a loom. They don't turn out square. They turn out more circly. And so that you can make any kind of squares and put them together to make a project. Share a yarn YouTuber link in our yarn bingo group so that other people can go and check out that yarn YouTuber. And the last square is finish a whip. So that is our March bingo card, and I hope there's something on there that will be exciting to you and that you want to create. And excuse me, and just have fun. Just have fun working with your project and creating. And, like I said, be sure to join the Yarn Bingo Facebook group and share your pictures of your projects with us. We all love to see and get inspired and inspiration from your projects. So thank you for joining in today, and I will be back with another video soon. Thank you.